So I've got the iOS 16.1 update, and you should also have it on your phone. Basically, it introduces iCloud shared photo library, which is basically sharing photographs as you click it or after they go into your camera roll or your photo library, whatever it is. So this should show up right here. So all you have to do is go under General and then Software About, and it should show up here. Exactly like this. So that's how it's going to look. You download and install. It will be probably there for all the phones from a certain generation. I think it is iPhone SE, so it should show up after that. And the main thing which has changed is basically the photo part, but at the same time you do have other changes like the dynamic island. So let me just quickly turn this on. So this is a timer which has gotten started, so you'll be able to see this entire thing over here. Now let me just start a video. Now once I start this video and I shut it, obviously this part is there, but the beautiful situation is that this entire thing has now gotten highlighted in yellow, so you'll be able to see that entire thing. Obviously it is usable. The other thing which is happened is that once you are looking at your lock screen, you'll be able to see this live activity over here. Now this is also supported for third-party apps. So all of the apps, once they get updated, you will be able to see them here, right from your food delivery apps tracking to all of that. So I think that is a very good feature. Apart from that, it has also gotten this update where you go on the lock screen and you go onto the wallpaper. Now this is not changed, but once you click on customized, this part has changed. So here you can do lock screen changes as well as home screen changes. So you can also access it under this part where you go under wallpaper, and you'll be able to see all the wallpapers which you have, which is pretty interesting. I think it's a good setup altogether. The customize button is also here. You can click on it and individually select what you want to select. After that, let's dive into photos. So under photos, once you open it, this is what you're going to see: combine photos and videos with other people. So that's the shared library which I was talking about at the starting. Copy and paste edits and merge duplicates. So that has been introduced. Now where it shows up, you go into settings under photos, and this is where it's going to show up. Here you can then dive into this and select whom you want to share your photographs with. Even during clicking the photographs, there will be an icon which will come here where you can just select that and you can share your photographs, live photographs, with people. So you click the photograph, it automatically gets shared with your family and friends. So I think this is a really good feature which has come. Apart from that, you have this part where you go under battery and you turn on battery percentage. Now you can see that this part was earlier 75, and now you can actually see the actual percentage of the battery which is slightly highlighted. This also works in low battery mode. Here you can see the orange part and the white part or the gray part. So that's been introduced. I think it's a good thing. It was better earlier, but yeah, this is also there. Apart from that, you do have clean energy in some geographies where you will be able to charge your phone only with clean energy, or where clean energy is available, the phone charges. So that feature is there. My phone does not have it because it's not available in the region which I am in. But yes, these are the only updates which are there with respect to iOS 16.1. I think it is a good update overall. It has become more stable. And do let me know down in the comment section if you have any queries with regards to this, and I'll be keeping on posting such videos. So do subscribe to the channel as well, and as usual, thanks for watching.